If you want to create smooth color blends and eye-catching effects in Photoshop, gradients are one of the easiest tools to learn and one of the most useful too. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to use gradients in Photoshop step by step, so you can apply them safely, customize them quickly, and fine-tune them right on your canvas. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your project in Photoshop. Before you start applying any gradient, the safest thing you can do is create a new blank layer. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus N. On Mac, press Command plus Shift plus N. This keeps your original background safe, so if you want to change the effect later, you can do it without damaging your base image. Once the new layer is created, you're ready to work. Now go to the left toolbar and select the Gradient tool. If you don't see it right away, you can simply press the G key on your keyboard. That's the shortcut. And if the Paint Bucket tool is showing instead, just click and hold on that icon for a moment, then choose the Gradient tool from the flyout menu. That will switch you to the correct tool. Next, look up at the top options bar. This part is important because Photoshop has different gradient modes. Make sure the tool mode drop-down is set to gradient, not classic gradient. The regular gradient mode gives you the flexible, editable behavior you want while you're learning. Classic gradient permanently paints over pixels, so for most modern workflows, gradient is the safer and better choice. Once that's set, click the color drop-down preset picker in the options bar. This is where you can choose a pre-made color theme. Photoshop gives you a wide variety of options such as basics, blues, pastels, and more. If you want a soft, clean look, try something subtle. If you want a bold design, pick a high contrast preset. You can always come back and change it later, so don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. Now it's time to apply the gradient. Click and drag your cursor across the canvas in the direction you want the blend to go, then release it. The direction of your drag matters because that controls how the colors flow across the image. A short drag creates a tighter transition, while a longer drag creates a more gradual blend. If the result isn't exactly what you want, don't stress, because Photoshop makes it easy to adjust after the fact. As soon as you draw the gradient, you'll notice a line widget appear directly on your artwork. This line stays visible and gives you control over the gradient right on the canvas. It has circular nodes and handles that you can move around to refine the effect. This is one of the best parts of using gradients in Photoshop, because you are not locked into the first result. If you want to move the entire gradient, simply click and drag the solid line itself. This lets you reposition the whole blend without starting over. It's useful if you need the highlight in a different area, or if you want the transition to line up better with your subject. If you want to adjust the spread of the gradient, drag the circular endpoints closer together for a sharper and more sudden color change, or drag them farther apart for a softer and more gradual blend. This is a great way to control the mood of your design. A tight blend feels dramatic and bold, while a wide blend feels smoother and more natural. You can also change the colors after the gradient is already on the canvas. Just double-click any color node circle on the gradient line. That opens the color picker, where you can choose a completely different color on the spot. This is super helpful if you're experimenting and want to match your brand colors, your photo, or the overall design theme. And there's one more powerful trick. You can add a new color directly into the blend. Hover your cursor anywhere along the widget line until you see a small plus sign. Then click to add a new color stop right in the middle of the gradient. This lets you build more complex blends with multiple colors, which can make your backgrounds, overlays, and effects look much more polished and professional. So just to recap, you create a new layer first, select the gradient tool, make sure you're in gradient mode, choose a preset color theme, and drag across the canvas to apply it. Then you can move the whole gradient, adjust its spread, change colors, and even add new color stops for more control. Once you practice this a few times, it becomes very fast and easy to use. If you found this Photoshop guide helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple editing tutorials. And if you want, I can also show you how to create rainbow gradients, transparent overlays, or text effects in Photoshop next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.